Today we are looking into Midea Smart Dehumidifier, a powerful solution to combat excess moisture and improve air quality in your home. Whether it's about preventing mold, maintaining comfort, or simplifying life with smart control, this device does it all. Plus, with its smart features, you can control it right from your phone. So stay tuned as we unbox, explore its features, and share some tips getting it more out of this handy gadget. This smart dehumidifier has a compact size with side access bucket, has voice and app control, built-in pump, splash guard, it's plug and play, and has got air ionizer technology. Welcome to MG Factor. The Midea Smart Dehumidifier is a versatile and efficient solution for managing indoor humidity, offering a range of features designed to enhance user convenience and maintain air quality. Some of the key features which includes are smart connectivity, wherein you can control the dehumidifier remotely via the M Smart Home app, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings from anywhere. It also supports voice control when paired with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant device, enabling hands-free operation. It has got a built-in pump. So for certain models such as 50-pint smart dehumidifier, which includes a built-in pump that facilitates continuous upward drainage toward a sink or out a window, eliminating the needs to manually empty the water bucket. It has got adjustable humidity settings. Customize humidity level within the range of 35% to 85%, ensuring more environment remains comfortable and reducing the risk of mold and mildew growth. This is very energy efficient. The dehumidifier is Energy Star certified, indicating it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines and can help reduce electricity consumption. It's a very user-friendly design, which features such as a side access bucket with a splash guard lid, minimize spillage during emptying. Additionally, model equipped with four-wheel design, offer enhanced portability, allowing to easy movement between rooms. Particular model has an M-Shield air ionizer technology, which reduce odor, smoke, and gases in the air, contributing to a fresher indoor environment. An included drain hose provides the options for continuous drainage, allowing for extended operation without the need to emptying the bucket manually. The coverage area of the dehumidifier is suitable for spaces up to 4,500 square feet, making it ideal for large rooms, basement, or the entire home. You have the timer function to set auto start or auto stop setting. Then you can select different modes such as set, continue, dryer, and comfort. So now let's turn on the power. So as you can see, the system is turned on, and you can select different modes from here as per your need. You can adjust the humidity percentage when you are in a set mode through this up and down arrow. Then this is your continuous mode. Then you have a dryer mode and the comfort mode. Here is your fan speed, low, high, and then you have the filter light. If the filter is dirty, it will turn on, and then press 3 seconds for your M-Shield ionizer to turn on. If you need to connect to your Wi-Fi, you need to press and hold for 3 seconds. You will see an AP display on the screen. Wait for some time and it will automatically get connected. Do refer to the owner's manual. It's very detailed in terms of the operations, the position of the unit, how do you need to operate the product, how to connect to the Wi-Fi and the app, how to install the wheel and different operations mode here. If you have any questions, do let me know. These features collectively make the Midea Smart Dehumidifier a comprehensive solution for maintaining optimal humidity level, enhancing air quality, and providing user-friendly operation tailored to modern lifestyle. If you like this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel for more such content. Until next time, stay safe and healthy and keep watching MG Factor.